Okay, welcome everyone. Hi, Prikatima, Serene, Jenna, Kai, TT, Deborah, Ellen, Steve, and Jay. Okay, so good morning, everyone. Good to see everyone here. Okay, today the date is 3rd of June. Okay, half a year is gone by. Okay, so let's start the webinar for today. Okay, right now let's look at the S&P 500. Okay, last week we were at the S&P 500 last week. Over here, okay, we were talking about, okay, the the support over here, okay, for the S&P, okay, we can see from here the support was broken, okay. We were looking for a weekly swing to buy, okay, but it didn't happen. The weekly swing swing buy didn't happen. So we have weekly swing buy over here. So from here you can see the weekly swing buy, the price didn't rebound from the weekly 40 MA. Instead it crossed below the 40 MA. Yes or no? Okay, this was last week around here. We were looking for a rebound, okay, but of course must trigger, didn't trigger. Price instead dropped below the support, okay, dropped below support, and right now it's hitting lower. Yes or no? Okay, last week also we couldn't have sold because last week already oversold, okay, already oversold over here. So we wouldn't have so there would be a good risk reward to do swing short also. Okay, so swing buy on weekly chart didn't happen. Swing short on the daily chart, no setup also last week. Okay, so this week again the same thing. Market is still overbought. Okay, we can see from here the distance from here to here is quite far. Okay. And second thing is also the MA are stopping down. However, we are looking for a retracement, a good going back up, okay, for a swing short sell. Okay, if we have the 10 MA plotted out, the swing short sell will come up maybe here for the weekly chart. Okay, this is for the weekly charts. Please take sorry, for this for the daily charts. Please take note. This for daily chart swing short sell. Setup. Okay, this is provided the price retrace. Okay, currently it's oversold. Okay, just like last week, it was oversold last week. Not a good time to short right now. Okay, we want to look for the correct setup to swing short sell. Okay, this is on daily chart. Any question on daily charts? If not, we go to weekly charts. Any question on daily charts? No, okay, so it's clear, right? Okay, so let's go to weekly charts. Weekly chart last week we said possible of swing buy, okay, but obviously it didn't trigger, okay, because it didn't break the weekly high candle high, so there is no swing short buy, okay, but instead from the support it broke below the support, and right now it is below the 40 MA. Okay, so for the medium term, I think we are turning a bit more bearish because we have price drop below the this 40 MA right now on the weekly charts. Okay, support. Okay, let's zoom out and see support. Okay, zoom out and see support on the weekly charts. I think the first support will be back to here. This will be the first support area. Okay, around 2007. Okay, 2007 is where the previous support was here. There's a doji bar here, and on top of that, I think we also maybe do a retracement level. Correct. Okay, so we also did a retracement level at here. Okay, so this is the spot level right now. Okay, around 2007. Okay, this area here, this will be the support level. is around the 68% retracement level. Okay, so this will become currently the support. Okay, so short, I'll say the next few candles, okay, for the weekly charts, we are looking for support around here. Okay, price, okay, on the weekly chart is also oversold. Okay, it's also oversold because we have how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 candles down. So maybe 4, 5 candles down. Okay, so this is 4th candle down right now. Okay, that's why the market is already oversold on the weekly chart. So not much setup on the weekly charts right now. Okay, on traders GPS, okay, trader GPS, if we do scan, okay, I think right now maybe we'll have more swing short, position short signal. Okay, but let's take a look later. Okay, so let's finish S&P already. Okay, any question? Okay, you can see from here also on the weekly charts. Yeah, the recording is on. Yes, thanks a lot. Okay, you can see from here on the weekly charts, this support is broken. Okay, the support was here. This line here, support was broken on the weekly charts. On the daily charts, also show us that the support was broken a few days ago. Okay, so support was broken here, and then support was broken here a few days ago. Okay, well, incidentally, on Trader GPS, there was a sell signal on Trader GPS. Okay, you can see from here, candle, red arrow, and then teeth also there. Okay, so this is the candle over here, Trader GPS first sell signal. Okay, so maybe we can later go into the Trader GPS scan, and then we can look for maybe some short signal also. Okay, can you all see the Trader GPS sell signal? Okay, it was here. Okay, so now let's go into Hang Seng. Okay, let's go Hang Seng. Okay, daily charts. Okay, so we have the daily charts sloping down. Okay, sloping down this way. Support, there was a support. I think last week we talked about the support. Okay, broken. Okay, last week the support was broken, heading lower. So we can also do Fibonacci if we want. So from here, we go all the way up to here. Okay, so this area here, 38% retracement, if it's broken, okay, if it's broken, then I think we will still be heading downwards, okay, downwards to, this is a very good area of support, okay, but I think there's another area of support here, but the trend is downwards on the daily charts, okay. There is no swing sell setup right now, okay. You see the CCI didn't go high, okay. All the while from here, the CCI has been low. So there is no swing sell setup. What we are looking for is at least a few days up, okay, so that we have the CCI go back up. Therefore, we have a swing sell later on the daily charts. Yes or no? Okay, for now, there isn't any. So no good risk reward trade. We don't trade it, okay? No question, we go to weekly charts. Weekly charts, also same thing. We have broken the 40-week moving average. There was no swing buy setup. Okay, we wanted to have a swing buy this way. Okay, but it didn't happen. It didn't cross the previous day big high. Okay, so there is no setup. So right now, all swing buy is out of the question for weekly charts. Okay, swing buy is out of the question for weekly charts. Any question? For Trader GPS, okay, let's look at Trader GPS. Also no setup yet. Okay, what we are looking for is really a retracement for arrow to appear. Okay, this move seems to be quite strong down right now. Okay, Next, we go to STI. Okay, no, any question? No question, we go to STI. Okay, STI, yeah, later we look at NASDAQ. Okay, so STI also down. Okay, also guys, I think there was a strategy based sell signal here, but let's take a look at the swing this one first. Okay, so one thing to take note, guys, is right now the market is quite over bearish. Okay, you can see from here onwards, okay, from cross 40 MA onwards, the price have not retraced. Okay, the price has not retraced at all. The CCI didn't even go to 0 or my plus 100. Okay, so the price from here onwards is rather bearish. Okay, it's rather bearish. And if you go and see on the daily charts, price over here, we can see from here, price came down, price actually break below 40 MA last week, okay, for STI. Okay, so no setup for STI. Okay, support level. Okay, I think the movement, okay, this was supposed to be a pause, okay, because the candle relatively shortened, okay, to look for it to retrace, but it didn't retrace, okay, from the support level. I think we are maybe heading towards here, okay, this area 3000. Okay, 3000 will be the support level right now, okay, on STI. Okay, in either case, you should not be long on a weekly swing or daily swing, okay, for both swing. Okay, so next one we go to NASDAQ 100. Okay, let's look at NASDAQ Composite Index. Okay, it's quite similar. Okay, so we have the daily charts sloping down. Okay, no setup. The previous setup was maybe this setup over here. Right now there isn't a setup also because daily charts is on oversold. Okay, for trading, what we want to have is a risk reward trade. We want to have a risk reward trade. If not, if there's no risk reward trade, we don't want to trade it. Okay, so if there is a risk reward trade over here, then we want to trade the swing trade for 5 days. Now currently for daily charts, they don't have risk reward trade. You short here, even if you short here, you don't know how to stop loss. Okay. Next, weekly charts also breaking 40 MA. Okay. I think NASDAQ is almost the strongest of the index. Okay. So we have the pause over here, going up and then pause back down here. Okay. But you will see some of the other markets, right? Like Hang Seng has went beyond the this retracement level already. Okay, so if you can see from here, NASDAQ is still at about 38, 60, this 68, 38% retracement. Okay, 7405. Okay, we are still at this level, but we can see from here that Hang Seng has dropped more than that. Okay, Hang Seng has dropped more than 38% retracement. Even if you look from here, so even if you look from here, okay, it's beyond 50% retracement already. Okay, if you use from here, also same. I don't think it's is 38% retracement. I think it's more than 38% retracement. Okay, okay. During the first part, when the Hang Seng rise, the rise was faster. Okay, the Hang Seng rise was faster because I think it dropped more, let's say rise faster, but right now also drop faster. Okay. Next, any other index? Okay, for this A50, we will look at the chart here. Okay, this A50. Okay, this is daily chart, China A50. This is the congestion area here for A50 right now. Okay, you can see from here, there's a support area right now. Let's look at the weekly charts to be clearer. Okay, so we go to weekly charts. Weekly charts are also same thing. We have support here, but it's quite close to the support level already. Okay, the support is around 12,500. Okay, this will be the support level for China A50. Okay. Surprisingly, the A50 is rather strong. You can see from here the rally almost back to the high again. Okay. Any question? Okay, so right now support is 12,050. Okay, there is no setup. Okay, there's no setup because I think right now, if anything, there's no setup. Okay, right now for daily charts. Previously, there was a setup here. You can see from here, price goes up. Okay, CCI high. Okay. CCI high, okay, daily swing down. There was a possible daily swing down for China A50. Okay, can you see here? And then for the weekly charts, if it goes above here, there may be a possible swing buy. Okay, but if you look over here, this is not the recent high. Okay, if you look back here, April. I think this is okay, because we have the price that is rallied very strongly, okay. So right now this is a pullback on the A50, so I will use this as one leg, this as one leg, okay, and then there may be a possible trigger, but the trend is down right now, okay. The trend is down right now. We want to wait for it to swing up. That means maybe around 13,000, okay, for it to be clear that it's up, okay. Either if not, then will be still down, okay, will be still down. Okay, so must go above here for it to go up. Support is support is actually around here. Okay, maybe go with the tail. Okay, around here. This is the support. Okay. Tima. Okay, so let's go to the individual stocks. Okay, scan. Okay, so those recent students, last week we scanned for weekly swing buy setup, but I think most of them would not have trigger, correct or not? No trigger, they didn't enter position because it didn't break the previous week high. Okay, so this week, what we can do is, if you want, you can look at Traders GPS swing sell if you want. Okay, let's take a look if there's any nice setup. Okay, we had this spunk, okay, last week, remember not? Those students last week. Actually, this one, I think during the class, we also covered this stock also. Spunk, okay? Yes or no? Last week on the webinar, maybe we have covered this, or maybe in the Trader GPS webinar, we've covered this. Okay, so we have this red arrow, okay? Next day, swing up, haven't short. This day, break below the previous candle low. So on this day, we shorted, ready. So 50%, okay? This is the latest batch of SMT student. We talk about this stock, right? SPLK, right? Okay, swing short, okay? Then right now is second arrow, okay? Second arrow for swing sell again, okay? This fund stock. Okay, did we cover this in the webinar last week? Oh, we covered in the, what is that? Live trading, correct or not? A live trading class. Anybody was on live trading class? Okay, so we cover this on live trading class also. Okay, so Any question? I think we covered both on live trading and also the actual class. Okay. So this was one of the setup we talked about last week. Okay. Right now, let's look at others. Is there any others signal? Okay. So we have Spark is here. Good year. First arrow. Okay. Daily chart. I think there's a bug here. Okay. There is no first arrow on 31st. Let me go and check why is that so. Okay. Should not have arrow also because the price didn't increase. Okay. Good year. Next is Micron MU. Third arrow. Third arrow. Let's take a look. This was no thief. The first one was thief here. A few days ago was the second thief. First arrow thief was here. This one not valid. First one was here. Second one right now is here. Okay. For position trade, should do more daily or weekly short. What do you mean? Daily or weekly short position? Okay, Trader GPS always use daily chart unless you got the weekly swing. I don't think you should do weekly. Okay, daily or weekly if you want to short. Okay, for swing is it or position? For position is daily charts. We always look at daily charts. Okay. For Trader GPS daily charts, okay? Unless you have like one stock particular that you want to do for long term, then you can do weekly chart. Let's say Micron, right? You want to do for long term, you can do this to weekly chart, but seldom people do weekly charts on this kind of stocks. Okay? Got it? Okay. I think there's some bug here. Okay, the arrows are not appearing. Do you have such issue? Daily charts have, weekly charts are going to have. Oh, by the way, there's going to be an update very soon. Okay, on the Trader GPS, we have. I think we launched it this week. Okay, there will be some new updates. Mark is doing up the video right now. All the work is done already. But Mark is doing up the video for the Trader GPS upgrade. Okay, this week you will see the video up. Okay. Okay, so Trader GPS set up apart from teeth and arrows. Do we look at the trend? Yes. Okay, so we need to look at the trend. What are the things we need to look at? Okay, let's say example, right now we are here. Okay, what are the other things we need to look at when we look at the teeth and the arrow? What are the other things we must look at? Do you remember? Do you remember what are the things we must look at when we set the teeth and the arrows? Okay, we must also look at the trend. How do we determine the trend of the market? Okay, we can go to weekly charts. Okay, weekly charts, turn to 2040 MA. Remember? Okay, to tell us the trend. Okay, whether the trend is uptrend. Okay, let's take away this line. Whether the stock is uptrend or downtrend, uptrend or downtrend. You follow what I'm saying? When we're doing position trading setup, we still need to look for trend, okay, whether they're uptrend or downtrend. Like Micron right now, okay, Micron right now, there's a Trader GPS sell setup, okay. What is the weekly charts? Okay, what's the weekly charts trend? The weekly charts trend is still down, yes or no? So it's safe, okay, because we have a swing position trade sell setup, yes or no? Okay, so this valid, okay. Let's go to just now that stock spun. Okay, same thing. Okay, go to weekly charts. Okay, go to weekly charts. Okay, we can see from here, this one broke the 40 MA. Last week was here. Okay, so it broke the 40 MA. So these are signs to tell you how to whether the trend is uptrend or downtrend. Okay. Okay, let's look at one or two more. Then we go to this one, no teeth. Okay. Okay, let's say example, we look at this one, teeth. Okay. If let's say you got teeth, okay, then we look at this weekly charts. Look at trader GPS, or this one, not data. Okay. Let's look at one or two more. Seagate. Okay. Okay. Weekly charts. Okay, this is a swing sell setup, Seagate, right? Okay, so you need to go to weekly charts. Okay, trader GPS. Let me tell us the trend. Got it? Okay. Okay, if not, then let's look at one or two more. Then we call it a day. MA. Okay, this is what position trade. Okay, so understand that for trader GPS is not so suitable for this kind of charts. Okay, these are overlapping candles. Got it? These are overlapping candles. So even though sometimes you have arrow, it's not suitable. This is example of overlapping candles. So do not use trader GPS on this. Next is swing by Euronet. Okay, swing by Euronet. Oh, this is nice trend. Okay, so this is a nice uptrend. Can you see? Okay, this nice uptrend and 2040 MA. Yes, it's quite good setup. Okay, make recent high, price pullback. Just like here, make recent high, price pullback. Make recent high, price pullback. I think this is nice. Okay, remember must trigger. Okay, trigger is the high of 1158. Okay. Right now, price still coming down, so 1158, 1180, that will be the trigger to long. Okay, then you put a stop below here. Okay, that's quite a nice uptrend. Okay, DBS daily position, DBS position daily is no. Okay, so it's still down, right? Okay, from here. It is still down. Okay, we can see candlestick third rate, arrow down, still down. Okay, daily buy is still no buy, don't buy. Okay, you look at the position, it's also down. Okay, look at the weekly charts, break the 40 MA. Okay, support. Okay, support at DBS I think is around maybe $23. That would be a support for DBS. Okay. This can tell us, by the way, this is tell us that this is a exhaustion, right? So big doji candle with a tail on top. Okay. It's good to trade more than the Singapore stocks. Okay, Franken. Okay, swing short. Okay, swing short daily charts. No setup, right? Okay. Swing short daily chart do not have setup. Okay, we want to wait for it to go up. Okay, anyway, this kind of stock, right? I wouldn't want to. This is a stock, right? Franken. Okay, I would want to swing short. Okay, and on top of that is this is the SGX now. Right, this is SGX now. Yeah, E28, right? Correct. This is the one, right? Daily charts, 31st of May. Okay. Okay, so don't swing this one. Okay, don't swing short this one. Okay. Next is Dell, 6-month stock, not appropriate to trade. Yeah, okay, this one cannot. Okay, that cannot because not enough data. Okay. Next is Hershey's, HSY. Now this is nice uptrend, okay, nice uptrend, okay. Let's take a look, see whether it's too steep. I think it's still okay, okay. She's position buy signal. Okay, there's no teeth here, okay. But prior to this, there was teeth, right? There was 1, 2, 3 signal already, right? There's a 4th. This one no teeth already, okay. But it's still nice short, nice candle up. Okay. But I think a bit too late, okay, because too many arrows already. 1, 2, 3, 4 valid signal, okay, and then don't know how many not valid one, okay. So maybe not so too high already. Okay, last position sell, Google. Okay, this is not bad. This is good. Okay, so we have Google here. We have no signal. This is considered arrow number 1. Okay, arrow number 1. Let's check. Okay, so let's check right now on the weekly charts, and then you'll tell me what is the trend. Okay, is the trend up or down? Can short or not? What do you think? Can short or not? These are weekly charts on traders on swing. It's okay, right? Because you see the price dropping below the 40 MA, 40-week moving average. Okay, so I think this is a good setup. Okay, because you can see from here the previous time when it dropped the 40 MA, it went down. Okay, so from here you see it dropped below 40 MA. We need to have a trigger. Trigger is about 1,100. Okay, and we have the daily charts. Okay, daily charts, Korea GPS around here. Once it goes below this 1,100, I think there's a continuation. Okay, so this is a pretty good sell signal. Okay. Any other stocks? So this one, SPLK, second arrow. Okay, for those last week, no problem, Sean. For those last week in the class 1, this one is our trade, right? Okay. I think we don't go too low. Okay, if we go too low, we end up stocks that are not suitable. Okay, let's find one maybe not so suitable. So you have this one, strong sell signal. Okay, strong sell signal. Look at the weekly charts. Look at the swing. Oh, so this one you see, guys, weekly charts still up. Yes or no? CDW. Weekly charts still up. Yes or no? And if you go to daily charts, you go to position trade, you can see a short signal. So this may not be so suitable to short. Do you follow what I'm saying? This may not be so suitable to short for position trade. Because when we go into the weekly chart, the trend is still up. Got it? Cannot. Okay. So this one, okay, CMI. Okay, cannot make it. Okay. So let's look at this. This one got teeth, right? Yes or no? Okay, because you're doing about a few months straight, so you may want to actually go into the weekly charts also just to check. See, this one is not so suitable, right? Because we have the MA stopping up, still a support over here. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so the price drop, a pause. Okay, so the challenge, why don't short when the trend is up is because as it go down, there are still support. Do you follow what I'm saying? So if the trend is down already, right? If the trend is down already, right? So if you have the sell signal, then previously, right, there will be, when the swing down will be easy. okay, because there is no support previously. Whereas, let's say example now, in this case, right, if you go to weekly charts, if you swing down and you short here, right, you look backwards, there are previous support. You get what I mean? Okay. Okay, if not, then let's call it a day. Summary, okay. Summary, I think the index right now, swing, I think nothing much. Daily, weekly, also nothing much. Position, maybe look for some short. If the market continue to go down more, then I think more short will come up. Okay, more short signal will come up. If you look at the S&P again, SPX again, okay. Okay, yes, weekly charts. We have broken the 40 MA. Okay, this is like week one that it breaks. Okay, so there is no setup yet. Okay, for the weekly swing. But if let's say it continue below this, I think the market will start to turn bearish. Got it? Okay. Any other question before we go? If not, then there's an announcement tomorrow. There is a preview, okay, SFI preview. If you have anyone that is interested in the class, please bring them down, okay, to listen to the preview. And yeah, I think right now the preview class is very small, okay. So if you can help us to bring people down for the class, I think it would be very useful, okay. If not, then thank you very much. See you next week. Bye.